Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Begin by crossing your right foot over your left foot, putting your left hand on your hip, and pointing straight up with your right hand while looking to the left. When you hear the change in the music, begin twisting your left hand inward 6 times while moving it up slowly. Bring your hand back down and face the camera. With your right hand still in the air, point to the left and tilt your head to the left. Bring your right hand down and slightly to your right and bend your elbow while pointing at the camera. On the de in desu ko, move your right hand to the left. On the su, move it down, and on the ko, move it back to the right. Move your right foot back to the right and shake your right arm, elbow still bent, to the right, then left, then right, in time with the desu ko. Make sure to bend your left knee on the ko. Repeat these moves in the opposite direction, but continue to use your right arm. Turn to the right and point straight up with your right hand once again. Bend your left knee, then your right knee, then your left knee. Turn back to face the camera. Cross your right foot over your left foot and write ko in the air once again. On the second desu ko, after that, shake your right arm to the right, left, and right, and bend your left knee before lowering both of your arms and turning to your left until you are facing the camera again. Except for the last turn, repeat all of these moves again. Step forward with your left foot and reach out with your right hand while leaning forward. While taking small steps toward the camera, turn your head to the left and pull the fingers of your right hand in toward your palm. Repeat this hand movement, but slow it down a bit. Bring your fists in front of your chest with your elbows pointing out to either side, and step out to the right with your right foot. Move your arms in a counterclockwise circle until your fists are back in front of your chest, and bring your right foot back over near your left foot. Step over to the left with your left foot and move your arms to the right, then back in, then to the right again while keeping them in position. Take a step to the left with your left foot as you push your fist down and to the right. Bring your right foot over to meet your left foot as you bring your fist back up near your chest. Step to the left again and repeat these movements. Now step to the right with your right foot and move your fist down and to the left, then back up near your chest as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot. Step to the right again and repeat these movements, but when you bring your fist back up to your chest, turn to face the left. Step forward with your left foot and look to the left as you bring your right arm over your head from back to front. Step in place on your right foot, then bring your left foot back next to your right foot and spin your fists outward around each other twice while stepping in place 3 times, starting on the left foot. Now step forward on your right foot and look to the right as you bring your left arm over your head from back to front. Then bring your right foot back to meet your left foot and your left fist back near your chest. Step to the left a bit with your left foot and bring both arms straight out in front of you. Turn your toes inward and bring your hands a bit closer to your face. Now turn your heels inward, bringing your feet closer together as you bring your hands a bit closer to your face again. Turn your toes in so that your feet are side by side and move your hands near your face. Step out with your left foot and bring your right arm straight out in front of you and your left arm behind you. Then switch their positions, bringing your left arm up and forward and your right arm down and back. Swing your right arm around to meet your left and then pull both hands near your face. Without moving your arms or legs, turn your upper body so that you are facing the camera. Turn back to the left, then the front, then the left again, and the front again. Put your left hand on your hip and form a circle with your right hand, bringing it in front of your right eye. Step forward with your right foot and turn your heel inward while pulling your right elbow inward as well. Now, swing your left foot, right heel, and right elbow out before bringing your left foot in front of your right foot, turning both heels inward and bringing your right elbow down. Do this last move again, but swing your left foot back behind your right foot. Do this move once more, bringing your right foot behind your left foot. Bring both arms down to your sides and take a few small steps back as you turn to the left. Bend your elbows and turn your hands so that your palms are facing up as you step in place with your right foot. Put your arms back down and take a few small steps forward as you turn until you are facing the right. Bend your elbows in the same manner as before as you step in place with your left foot, then quickly turn to face the camera again. Put your left hand on your hip and step out to the right with your right foot as you begin to spin your right hand in a counterclockwise circle. As you step back in with your right foot, bring your right hand up to rest on the back of your head. While tilting your head to the right, twirl your right hand toward you, then away from you before turning it back in to tap your right shoulder. Turn your right hand so that your palm is facing the camera. Then bend your wrist so that your fingers are pointing at the camera.